In this video, I'll show you how you can change the default saved folder on ShadowPlay. Now, the way you do this is there's two different ways depending on if you have the NVIDIA app, which is the new one, or if you have the old GeForce Experience. Now, for both, you need to enable the overlay and press Alt plus Z to open up this one. Now, if you're using GeForce Experience, there will be a little settings icon right here. You want to click on that and scroll down to recordings, and then you'll be on the same page. If you have the new NVIDIA app, you want to go to the settings up here, go to files and disk space. Then in here, you can find your gallery location. Find up here, you can select where you want it to be. So let's just say you do on this one, right here. And then once you've done that, you can simply click on whichever you want it to be. Let's say I want to do it on the desktop. Then I can press done and it will be saved to this folder right here, which is under my videos and my folder called desktop. So I can simply press done and it will save here. On GeForce Experience, it's very similar. However, you don't need to go into the gallery location. You just open up the recordings and there will be a folder in there that you can change. So that's basically how you do it, guys. It's really simple and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.